Let's see this interesting question. So here we have 5 natural numbers are there and their mean, median and mode is given to us. And we have to find all the 5 natural numbers. So we can say, let's assume A, B, C, D and E are the natural numbers and they are in ascending order. So we have got A, B, C, D and E. So these 5 numbers we have to find, where A is smallest and E is biggest. So here first thing is, when we say median is 10. So median is the middlemost number in the series when arranged in ascending order. So we can safely say here that C is 10. We have got mode is 8. So 8 is occurring most number of times and 8 is smaller than 10. So see this, when we are talking about D and E, these are bigger than 10, right? So only possibilities is that your A and B both are 8, because 8 is mode, so it has to occur at least 2 times. And here occurring only 2 times is the only possibility, right? Rest, let's see. The other information provided to us is mean of these numbers is 10. So when we talk about mean, your mean is sum of observation upon number of observation. So we have got mean is given as 10, which is sum of observation upon 5. So we can say that sum of observation is 50. Sum of observation is 50. So we have got A plus B plus C plus D plus E is 50. But A, B, C are given to us. So C is 10 plus D plus E, this is 50. So simplifying it, we are getting D plus E. This is nothing but 24. Agar D plus E 24 hai, so let's see what are the options available for D and E. Now, these are arranged in ascending order. So D cannot be 9, right? So D is bigger than or equal to C. So only possibilities are where we are arranging D as 10, E as 14, D is 11, E is 13, D is 12, E is 12. और कोई पॉसिबिलिटी वर्क नहीं करेगी, क्योंकि डी जो है वो ई मतलब असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में है, तो वो ई से छोटा है या इसके इक्वल है. ओनली दीज 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज आर देयर, आउट ऑफ विच दिस पॉसिबिलिटी वी विल कैंसिल आउट, क्योंकि 12 में जो मोड है दैट्स नॉट 8 एनी मोर, है ना. मोड विल बी 8 एंड 12. सो ये पॉसिबिलिटी वी आर कैंसिलिंग इट आउट, एंड दिस पॉसिबिलिटी ऑल्सो विल कैंसिल, क्योंकि इस केस में मोड जो है दैट विल बिकम 8 एंड 10. So this also we are cancelling it out. So our answer is, the values of those 8 numbers are 8, 8, 10, 11 and 13. So this was an interesting question. I hope the solution is clear to you. We'll see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.